Hi, this is John Thomas again with ATEX Global Info, home of www.analyzeanystock.com. Okay, today is August 10 and we're looking at the stock of the month, Gilead Sciences, trading on the Nasdaq. Gilead has turned in an impressive performance over the last 5 years and maybe even longer. And I believe they are a stock to watch for long-term and short-term investors as well. Let's take a look at their stock chart here for 1 year. Okay, here we see Gilead closing the other day, last Friday, at $56.77. And what we can see here is that the price is testing its previous high of back in early June. What I'm looking for Gilead to do is to break through this strongly above the previous high and then make a pullback, a slight pullback. If it were me, I would be a buyer on a pullback after it breaks through this previous high set back here in early June. Or for those of you who want to get in right now, it probably would not be a bad idea if you are a long-term investor. But after it makes a new high here, if it were me, I would rather wait for a pullback before committing funds. But we could see this stock go on further up to $60, $64, $66 a share in the not too distant future. So keep your eye on GILD, Gilead Sciences. And if you're interested in fundamentals, let's take a look at some of the fundamentals for the last fiscal year as well as the last quarter. Here we see revenues up at the end of the past year, 12/31/07, up over the previous year of about 22%. I'm sorry, make that up about 40% year over year. And here in the previous year, we see a huge non-operating loss. And so the final year ended up with a negative net income. And let's look at the quarterlies here. We'll go up here and click on the quarterlies. And here is where we're going to see a 22% increase for the quarter ending June 30/08 versus June 30/07. We've got about a 22% increase in revenues. And for the net income, we're looking at about an 8.5% increase quarter over quarter for the quarter ending June 30/08. So these are some impressive figures as well as the stock price movement over the past 5 years. We've got gross revenues up. We've got gross revenues up on a quarterly basis. And let's take a look at the longer term stock appreciation in a historic perspective. Here we were looking at the 1-year chart for Gilead. And let's go up here and select the 5-year. And here we've got the stock price on a weekly basis. And look at this impressive climb here. Very steady, always above its 200-day moving average. Very strong 200-day moving average. And so let's keep this stock in our basket to monitor. So again, this is John Thomas with www.analyzeanystock.com, and the stock of the month this month is Gilead Sciences, GILD on the Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.